Hi, and welcome back. My name is Alna from twinsmommy.com, and for today I'm going to show you the fastest way to make money as a new blogger. Ooh, you know what it is? It's called freelance blogging. Yes, the fastest way you can make money if you're a brand new blogger is to definitely offer a service, right? I'm sure you've heard this all about, that people talk about different ways about affiliate marketing, and they think that's a quick way to make money. Your first $100 a month, well, trust me, my niche site hasn't made that much money, and I've been a couple months. But when I first started a service, I definitely made at least $400 the first month. So it's definitely worthwhile to start a service versus anything else online out there. The quickest way, and I want to show you the steps to get you started. All right, so on my blog, Twins Mommy, I do have a blog post called How to Start Freelance Blogging When You Don't Know How to Blog. So if you're just brand new, I'm going to go through the steps, sort of give you an overview, and then I'm going to share with you some ways to find jobs. So definitely you need to get some blogging skills under your belt. Definitely find the platform and the hosting and your website. That's all, something you need. An online presence. You need a blog, basically. And if you haven't, check out my video on how to start a blog. I do recommend using Bluehost. It is the cheapest, but they have excellent customer service. They've really turned a leaf the last couple years with their customer service. I'm amazed at how fast and easy it is to get my problems solved. Definitely consider using Bluehost, and I use WordPress.org. I want a self-hosted blog. You definitely want, yourname.com, not yourname.wordpress.com. If you want to do freelance blogging, you definitely want to look professional and credible. You don't want to look like a hobby blogger. So you're definitely going to use your blog as sort of this marketing tool to show your writing and to market your business. And so getting to know blogging, some tips. When you write your blog posts, you want to have a lot of white space. You want to have some subheadings. You want to use bullet lists and numbered lists. You want to have a call to action at the end of your blog post. And then one extra thing that you should start incorporating in your blog content to help you land writing jobs is to add some stats and facts and linking to them. So here is a Pinterest post I wrote for one of my clients, Blogging Wizard, and you can see I used bullet list to increase my white space, and I used lots of links that show stats. These are all stats. So that is a big difference between sort of my blog content and my client pieces, is just having those stats, but you can definitely use them in your blog posts. I know I do occasionally. So if I go to Twins Mommy, yes, I did it in this one. So 21 ways to realistically work from home with a toddler. So I do have a stat right in the beginning and another one right here. All right. So I do occasionally add this. This does help me. My Twins Mommy blog has definitely helped me be featured with big brands. And so I think having something like that also helps with being featured, but it just shows that you are just one step up of a blog writer so that you can be a freelance blogger or freelance writer. That definitely helps to start doing that. All right, you want to draft some sample pieces, and this could just be your blog post on your blog, but you really have to make them a sample piece. And so instead of writing sort of like inwards of what you want and what you do, you want to write outwards and write content where you need to answer the question, what's in it for them? Why do people want to read your post? They want to read it for the information. They want to read it to solve their problem. And clients want that. They want content that's called top of the funnel content. So it's TOFU, top of the funnel content. And top of the funnel content for businesses is educational content that helps random people come to their site, learn about their product and business, and become invested in their brand, kind of thing. So it's very educational content. And so your sample piece, your blog post should provide education. So for example, my post on what 3-year-old twins say to each other is, even though that's personal, it is thought leadership because I am a mom to twins. And it was actually a funny piece. This is more lifestyle content. Twiniversity is a blog, and they hired me to write on their site actually because they saw my post on Pinterest of this and they thought it was cute and funny and it fits their brand. Even though I just told you top of the funnel content, that's what businesses want. You can be a lifestyle freelance blogger blogger and write for magazines like Taste of Home, Home and Garden, Parents Magazine. You can be a magazine writer and write lifestyle content that doesn't have to have lots of stats. It does, but not a lot. It doesn't have to be top of the funnel content. It can be entertainment type of content. So definitely there's a place online for that. That's just not my expertise necessarily. I have written for like brands like Walmart and for Twiniversity and things like that where it's business to consumer, but it's not my main way of making money as a freelance blogger. My main way is business to business content. And so there's a difference. You might want to sit down and think about, do I want to write for other businesses or for consumers? Most bloggers write for consumers. So it just fits naturally to write B2C content for magazines, publications, big brands, lifestyle brands like Lululemon, like Target, Walmart, the big brands, Starbucks, things like that, where you might want to really hone down your writing and pitch those clients. Those are not my clients, but it's nice when I do pick up a B2C client like that because they're usually big brands and they pay well and it looks good on your portfolio. So here's the email about them and what they're offering and what their pay is for it. So that was the email, which I was just like, wow, I just started Twins Mommy. You can see this was in 2016. I wrote that post and I got a gig from that. I was amazed by it. Let's look at some freelance writing jobs. If you're a mom, these are perfect for you. I do talk about my very first freelance writing job in this blog post, so you can definitely take a read. It's a very long read, actually. It's a long post. I show you my first job, my Walmart gig, and then I go into also how to discover and start writing. So this is another way you can definitely look at this. And then some jobs here. The easiest type of freelance blogging job is a blog writer job. I still do blog writing jobs and get paid very well for this type of writing. You can get paid up to $1,000 to write a blog post for a beauty brand, like I said, for something like Walmart or like L'Oreal or big brands like that, lifestyle brands, and even some digital marketing brands too. I wrote for Smart Blogger. Here is my content on my portfolio page. I show you a job board where you can get started and not definitely here, but down the road, I show you a job board where I show you specific types of jobs, but you can definitely be a copywriter, a ghostwriter. You can ghostwrite books and get paid $10,000 to $20,000 to write. I just read one of my course students who does romance stories of all things and can get paid up to $75,000 to ghostwrite a romance story. So that's kind of neat. She said she was able to land those gigs by first writing her own romance story, getting it self-published up on Amazon. And so that gave her a little bit of proof that she could write a book. And so if you want to do something like ghostwriting, writing your own book really helps. It shows clients that you can actually write a book and can get paid quite well for that. That's never been my thing, but it's something for you definitely to look into if you want to. Product review writing is a big niche since there's so many businesses online that have products. And this can really get you into like writing Facebook ads effectively and writing products for like Amazon. There's definitely a need for that. And that can help you again with your own blog, and you can learn, wow, I'm writing Facebook ads for this company. I can create a product and write my own Facebook ads. Like, these skills are transferable for your own blog. And so you can start making money with your own blog this way too. You can do gift guide writing. Again, you can use this skill for your own blog, write your own gift guides, use affiliate marketing in Amazon, and then that could be your sample piece to show to clients and do gift guides for other bloggers, other writers. I have other blogs. I hire other bloggers and writers to write content. And so it's always nice if they know how to write effective gift guide writing, they know how to write product descriptions. You could do magazine writing for sure, lifestyle stuff with Reader's Digest, as I was mentioning, Home and Gardens. You can really focus on SEO writing. There are many jobs on the free job boards out there that want SEO knowledge. And so again, you use that stuff for your own blog and learning your blogging to grow your blog. You can definitely use those skills and transfer it to freelance writing clients. Email marketing writing, you can write emails. That's always nice. There's lots of bloggers out there that you follow that probably need an email writer. Why not pitch that to them? You can do site copy, website copy, definitely. I'm not going to go right into these, but I just wanted you to see that you can be, if you're a teacher, there's lots of different types of writing titles you can have, like curriculum writer, lesson writer. And you can see that I do show you through a job board here, Contenta, that they have really profitable educational and teaching writing jobs. So here's a job board where they show really profitable writing jobs here, $7,000 a month to do lesson writing. So that's pretty cool. And so there's a whole bunch here. There's also ones for nurses, if you want to do medical writing, again, 8,000 a month with this job board. So really lots of job potential if you have that knowledge behind you. And I think there's also for Christian moms, you can definitely lean into that if that's type of niche that you're in. You can do devotional writing, you can be a Christian blogger, copywriter, lots for you right there. So hopefully that helped you. If you want to get started, you can definitely check out my other brand, which is elnakane.com. I have a free course, Get Paid to Write, right here. Right when you go to elnakane.com, you can sign up right now and I'll send you emails with links to a YouTube video or just links to other resources and tips within the email to help you land your first client. Definitely try that. Let me know in the comments below if this is something that you're interested in, freelance blogging. Like I said, it's the fastest way to make money right now as a blogger. Let me know in the comments below and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you in the next video.